Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to manage dashboards in Wrike. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are going over to the left-hand side over here, and underneath this top menu, you'll see more. Click on more and go to dashboards. Now, this is where you can manage all of your dashboards. First of all, at the top, there's the name of the dashboard, which you can change. There's a drop-down menu. You can scroll through all of the dashboards that you have over here, and then you can actually go and add a section to your dashboard. So let's just say section 1, say create, and the section 1 will be the main part. Sorry, it will be another section of your dashboard. So let's say you want multiple sections within your dashboard. You can have section 1, you can have your main section, and then you can just add a new section in over here. You can also change the layout from vertical to horizontal, which is quite nice. You can then also add different parameters. So here you'll have a drop-down menu of what type of parameters you can add in over here, and then you can apply it to all of your widgets or just to the specific one that you are opening up now. So let's just close that. Then you can obviously share it, and you can create a public link for it, rename it, duplicate it if you'd like to make minor changes but still keep most of it. You can set it as your home page, and then you can move it about. Now, there's a plus widget over here. Here, you can just click on here, look for the widget that you want to add in to your dashboard, and then click on it. Or quite simply, click on custom widget. You'll have either the table or chart widget, and then you can just add that in. Now, quite simply, let's say I would like an AI highlight over here. As you click on it, it'll now be added in. You can see that each one of these widgets that you add in, you can literally click on the 3 dots. You can customize it, you can copy, share, and delete it. Now, this is an existing dashboard. What if I'd like to create a new one? So you go down to the space over here that you would like your dashboard to be created in. So my space is the personal, and underneath personal, I've got space, overview, and then I've got tools. Now, over here by tools, click on the plus icon and go to dashboard, and this will allow you to create a new dashboard. So let's say new dashboard 1. Your data source will be your personal, or you can go ahead and change the data source. This is very important. You can then add in whatever widgets you'd like to add in. So let's say we want a project list. Right, we've got a project list in over here. We can add in a section, we can change our layout, and all the rest of it right in over here, quickly and easily.